Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Mr. Rajesh Iyer and Dr. Ghazal Goyal, joint editors to the book. So may I invite Mr. Rajesh Iyer, if you could please come forward, and let's have you share a few words of your review.
Thank you. It's a great honor. And as an editor, I'm supposed to be, brevity is supposed to be, I got to maintain that. So, in nutshell, she's spoken a lot about the entire journey of Pari. But there's one word that describes both Pari as well as the author. I've been a commissioning editor for 25 years, and there's one thing that actually you look for that spark. If I were to describe that one word, is tenacity. Is that tenacity to prove, no matter what that is, going against odds. And I think when you read that book, you realize that she is more than just made out of metal. So all the best. That's all I can say. The book speaks for itself. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much, Rajesh. Dr. Ghazal, thank you very much for joining us. A few words from you.
Thank you, Sonal, for giving me this. It's a great honor for me to come here and talk about the book, which is very close to my heart. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये थी कि when Sonal approached me for this book, I did not know that she's the deputy commissioner, right? She approached me as a woman. So what I realized that a woman, when stands for a cause, it makes history. And I think So What is going to definitely make a great history because it shows the journey of a woman, a pari. Pari हम सब में है, it's in there, every woman, But कौन सी परी आके takes the battle and, proves to the world that if a woman, with the courage in her heart and that energy, she can definitely change the world. So when I read the book, which Sonal, gave it to me to work upon, so it was so beautifully written by Sonal that, I could feel each and everything. So क्या होता था जब मैं और मेरा लैपटॉप तन्हाई में बातें किया करते थे तो मैं ये सोचती थी अगर मैं परी होती तो क्या करती अगर मैं परी होती तो क्या करती So, and thanks to my husband who tolerated all that part. He used to tell me, see, come out of that character of Pari and then talk to me. No, I can understand that, Sonal, you have done a remarkable job. The character of Pari is really about today's woman. उसके साथ बहुत कुछ हुआ. She has gone through many turmoils. But the best part was she stood up for her own rights. That was the best thing. She defied every norm, everything. She wanted to prove to the world, yes, I am a woman. I am a woman, I am a soul, I am not a body. There is nothing, stops a woman if one thing happens, if the family supports. जो अगर आप देखोगे book में, the way the parents of Pari stood by her, that was a very beautiful part. अगर आज भी हमें हमारे parents की support मिलती है, सब कुछ मिलता है, we can definitely change this whole world. And one thing which I realized, see, many things go into our lives. उतार चढ़ाव हम सबकी ज़िंदगी में लिखे हैं. But a woman goes through many उतार and चढ़ाव्स because she definitely goes from a father's abode जहाँ पे वो उसका angel है, उसकी बेटी है, परी है, and to a man, where how he perceives her, how he sees her. That journey is really very important, right? So वहाँ पे where I realize we go through many things. So वहाँ पे forgiveness is a very important tool to heal our lives. So it's a message from Sonal through Pari that forgiveness is a remarkable thing which God has given to us. If forgiveness is there, every mind can be healed. It's not that easy. Let me tell you, it's not that easy. अपने आप को, उस जगह पे रखना कि yes, somebody has done this to me. And now I'm forgiving that thing and moving ahead, letting go. But that is the crux of life. It's not easy to understand, but it is only understandable when it is being experienced. The way the Sonal has made that thing understandable through Pari is really remarkable. And definitely it was a wonderful opportunity for me to work as a woman editor on the book. And definitely I'm a fan of Sonal now. Thank you so much.
We've been having also reviews coming forward from many who have gone through the book, and we have a couple of them here. I would like to invite Mr. Anand Patwa. I would like to share with you, he's one of the top 5 licensed trainer of neuro-linguistic programming in India. He's certified by the Society of NLP of Richard Bandler of USA. He's also the founder of the organization Sadgamaya and Ashwat Technosis. Thank you so much for being with us. A few words of your review.
Please, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. First of all, congratulations to Sonal. And I believe a lot of points which Javed Saab said, and the story of Pari, which has a complete sense of meaning, the unwavering dreams, simple expectations, the life, falling in love, getting into a newborn relationship, and in moments of those times, the whole heaven just vanishes off. And then the story begins of a turmoil. And this turmoil is so deeper that when I actually read this book, I was able to visualize everything as if it's just in front of me. So in fact, I would just like to say, this was the only book so far in my life I have read cover to cover in one sitting. I do not know why, because I read few sections and that I was not able to drop it down. So, but obviously there were a lot of turmoils which were happening around, but a transformation. So what? It's an emotional awakening. So when that question came into the book of what, so what, in fact, it changed my mood personally while reading that book. It transformed the whole story of when you went inside yourself and you asked this question, so what? What does it mean? So much of pain, so much of struggle, so many mixed combinations of a woman, basically. I was trying to relate it with my wife while I was reading it. Like, okay, how am I treating her and what she is treating me in real life? And it is an amazing book. I would recommend everyone to pick up this book and read it. I had a privilege to read it before, and I am so glad. I had read it twice, basically, in the sequence, and it's just amazing. I would like to congratulate, and this is going to bring a big shift in thought processes for all those women as well as men to just carry so what and really make a difference to their life from that moment on. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you very much, Anand. We also have with us Ms. Manisha Singh, and I'd like to share with you, Manisha is an emotional intelligence coach, the founder of Taksh, an organization into raising the EQ of any organization.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks to Dr. Ghazal first, because she actually introduced me to this book. She's a friend of mine. And congratulations, Sonal, for writing such a beautiful story. So what? So when I read it, to be very honest, 2-3 days, I just couldn't write anything because it's such a deep story, and being into the world of emotions, I actually felt that, what attracted me to the whole book was this picture, if you see, this dark part and the liberation part of the woman. This really attracts you because this actually explains the duality that exists within us. The dark side or the, so-called meek side, but at the same time, the warrior. Pari, being the protagonist of this story, you will go through all the emotions while reading the book. You will go through the proud that you feel, when a father actually gives you so many blossoming dreams, and then you feel very sad and crushed because of the brutal blows that life throws at Pari. And then you actually see the power of her because she turned that to, that emotion became a power, not just to influence her life, but to influence the, other people's lives too. So it's a must read. And thank you so much to Sonal for writing such a beautiful story and unfolding the world of emotions for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Manisha.